You know, I'm not one to berate, belittle, act all supercilious. You got your ham radio ticket. Coming from the CB bands. That's awesome. Welcome to the hobby. Just had a real nice conversation with another ham in southern Vermont. Apparently came from the CB band, got into the ham radio hobby. Congratulations to anybody that comes from the CB band into the ham radio hobby. Welcome. We need more of you. But there's one idiocracy that drives me berserk. This gentleman kept using 10-4, 10-4, and QSL codes. Well, I can hear you. I'm on DMR. I'm on 3100 talk group. I can hear you clear as a bell. There's no digital noise, no R2D2ing. You know, 10-4 just seems so out of place. Using Q signals. QSL? You know, I say once in a while, my QTH is, or my location is, or, you know, somebody's fading on digital. Got some R2D2. Some packet drops. But guys, you know, hey, learn the trends. Don't talk. Listen to a bunch of conversations. Get a gist of how the language goes. It's kind of like a foreign language, kind of like CW. Has a rhythm, a rhyme to it. The terminology. That's good that you learned it all in the book. You know, I'll talk to you. But just, there's a point where there's too much of it. And sadly enough, this gentleman was using way too much of it. The Q signals and the 10-4 crap. Anyways, you're in the hobby. Enjoy it. Hope I catch you down the log. If you want to talk to me, I can be found most days on 3100. If I turn the radio in the right direction. For Ham Radio Venture Overland, Brandmeister Group 31655. Everybody be safe and 7-3.